If you are a new painter who feels a bit overwhelmed by willful watercolor and the frustration of trying to control it, it is probably because of this one little secret that just might be the key to more joyful painting. In the next minute or two, I want to tell you the one thing most watercolor newbies don't know. It's the thing that took me from ready to give up on watercolor painting to really loving my relaxing painting hobby. By the way, if you're a watercolor newbie who is wondering about whether you have the right supplies, I have a free watercolor class all about that. Hopefully you'll find the links to that somewhere around this video. And if you would like to join me in the free classroom, you would be very welcome. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Kerry Woodhouse, and I have helped creative souls jump right into the fun of painting regardless of their perceived levels of talent and experience. Now here's the thing, watercolor painting can be intimidating. How do you control the paint? It really does seem to have a mind of its own. Well, here's the secret. You don't have to. Once you understand exactly how to work with the watercolor, you can collaborate with it instead of trying to control it. In fact, the watercolor will do a lot of the painting for you if you let it. So many people ask me how to control the paint, but my question to them is, why would you want to? The way paint pigments move in water is utterly delightful, and different colours behave in different and often unpredictable ways, which add fascinating texture and interest to your painting. What could be better than that? The way one colour might interact with another provides a charm completely unique to watercolour. It means no two paintings are ever the same. That's marvellous, don't you think? Collaborating with these so-called tricky watercolor properties rather than trying to control them makes painting such a joy that I built an entire online class about it called Better Beginnings in Watercolor. Now, of course, I would love to welcome you into the classroom to paint with me, but whether you choose to join me in that paid class or not, I hope that this little message invites you to embrace the unpredictability of watercolor rather than fighting it, and put the fun back into your painting practice. So grab your brushes and let's get painting.
Now, if you're just getting started in watercolour, or if you feel like you're starting over in watercolour and wondering how to actually go about it, I made a video that showed exactly the approach I would take in that situation. I'll pop it up on the screen and you can watch that one next.